Action.
Oh, hi guys, I didn't see you there. My name is Eagle the Hulk, and sorry for the kind of that since we just have a fan, and happy Thanksgiving if it's Thanksgiving. This video comes out, and we got this, build our own car, and look, being a little kid, right there, and look at that engine. Got that engine. So if you see hand, like a hand or a phone, Trent is going to post this on his video. So, yeah.
Amazing with this.
But I'm going to go get the scissors. I got that. Baby knife.
Alright.
I couldn't find the scissors, but I got a baby knife that my dad gave me. Okay, so where's the tape? I know there's always tape somewhere. There we go. Let me open my knife.
Oh, we have like different angles.
Yep. Yeah, that's that he calls my dad and his uncles and so you get the tape to this. For previous videos, I said tape is my enemy. That actually is true. Always so stubborn. Nope. That. Gotta get all of these edges. Sorry. This turned out to be a really long video. Go. Here we go. Oh yes, good. Got this for Black Friday. Oh yeah, I always been wanting this. Let's keep the package like that. Okay. So it's kind of glued up on there. I got my baby knife. You could just slip under that. There we go. The hole should be able to. There we go. A weak spot. Kids never attempt to use a knife.
What?
Sorry about that. Austin. It's his brother.
Hi.
Yeah, you.
Hi guys. Hi.
Especially trained for this. Trained. Hey! Might have left me.
Hey, Trent. Awesome.
Ugh. I have no idea how this is.
Hang on. Yeah.
You don't need this anymore. It's just... Man, this is actually really hard. Isn't...
Now what you can do? Also be quiet. Oh.
No! Time's out. Well, yeah. Sorry if this kind of hurts your ears. How does it mine too? Really.
Oh God!
Nope.
Just dump it.
all his stuff. This is kind of like the Black Friday. And let's put the engine in.
There we go. Oh my god, it's so sweet.
Got the engine in. Okay, so then let's get this bad boy.
What is that?
What is this?
Yeah.
It's a car part.
No, I don't mean that car part. I don't mean what the car part is called. What? Yeah, what is the car part called?
I think it's called a skirt blower.
What? You just screw it?
Right, Dad? Is this called a skirt blower?
Yeah, it looks like a skirt blower exhaust, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's what the guys used to blow the girls' skirts up back in the hot rods, yeah. They'd walk by them and they'd rev the motor and skirts go flying up. It's true.
Shit, you never have girlfriends.
This one will go.
I would.
This one is a little.
I mean, there's two of those? No. Shut up. Guys,
Yeah, sorry.
can't touch it.
Austin has some anger issues. Just like me. We really should come up with nicknames with you guys. Like Eagle Hulk.
Well, I'm Eagle Hulk in the game in one of the Call of Duties. And when me plays Call of Duty. You made
Eagle Hulk.
yeah, you made. Yeah, I'm Eagle Hulk too. No, you're not. No,
Yeah.
all of us are. You're
Mason.
Eagle the Hulk 1, Eagle the Hulk 2, press Mason, then you, me, and then
No,
we'll
but
go and
we
Judy
need,
Eagle
like
Hulk.
in the videos.
My nickname could be.
Yes. This is actually.
I don't know what my nickname.
My nickname could be SpongeBob. Pet Squeak, I mean. Squeak.
Oh no. Hercules, I guess.
Mine's Hercules.
You can't steal what I just.
Mine's Big Shell.
No.
I am the Rock.
So, what are these for, Preston? Are these like just screws?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think these come out. These come out and then you put the tire on, Preston. There you go. Take those out and just stick the tire in there.
Oh, and then we put this back in.
No, put the tire on there.
I know, then we put the blue thing.
This does it?
Have to unscrew it.
Remember, look, it says that you can do that, or you can do it down there.
I'm looking at the back.
This tire.
Are they supposed to be real tools?
No.
As a result.
Trying to get this nice and tight.
I'm going to the kitchen.
That's what. Yes, if you be like, why does this area feel new to me? Since it actually is new. We just moved. Closer to Epic Gamer.
You guys didn't just move.
I think that's the small one. That goes on the front. I think this one goes on the front. These go back here because they're bigger. Bigger tires go in the back.
Didn't know they had different sizes.
Mm-hmm. They put the big tires in the back the way there's better grip.
Which one's
So those are the ones that are going to spin. And the smaller tires go up front because it's less weight.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, my dad is a car expert, so you can't
Nah.
deny.
Neighbors are going black. What's with the gray screws in?
No, these came with it, so.
I know. It says the black big one, and then the blue one, and then the gray screwdriver. Yeah, these go next. After the wheels. Those colors go on the wheels because the back of it says gray.
Yeah, I'm just doing matching.
I think you got them on wrong again. See the little centerpiece? The centerpiece is small. That goes on the front.
So it goes in the very back.
I'm not a car expert like my dad.
What? My dad's a car expert too.
Is he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but my dad can literally tell a car just by its shape. He taught me that Camaros have a short
But
roof.
what goes in the back? Oh, this goes in the very back. There.
And like if you see it has a low roof, a car, then that means it has well, it is a Camaros. It's all Camaros
I think
that do
that
that.
car is based off a Camaro.
Yeah,
It looks like it is, isn't it? Yeah.
Nice, bro. You got a
Yeah.
Camaro. We didn't even notice.
Mm-mm.
Oh, find where you can put some of the stuff. Like, just take this out, open the hood, boom. Oh, what is this? What is this?
Oh, I think this is called a diffuser. Well, maybe. I don't know. That's a spoiler. No.
that is.
Yeah,
Look.
you could. Yeah, there's two.
Oh yeah, the gray one. Green one. The green one that goes
Yeah.
to two. See, the green one goes to two.
Yeah, there's two.
I don't
It's a
know.
giant spoiler.
This one.
Doesn't really seem right.
Press which one you put on the gray or black. Let's see how they look.
So which one? A?
I don't know. Do you think that looks cool?
Mm-hmm. Or
This.
B.
Yeah. Yeah, I think B. Go pretty well. Where does this one go to?
Oh, I'd say you could ratchet it on.
That's for the tires.
Or you could do the spoiler with it too, I think, can't you? Maybe. Is it ratchet? No.
Whatever. I don't think that one is good enough. What are these?
Is it not deep enough?
No, that's a mix.
Too nice. I wonder what these were for.
What?
This. They all have Hot Wheels on them. This is actually pretty nice, huh, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna undo the wheels just to like redo it.
Yeah, we should show all the different versions of it, right?
Yeah. Then let's do that. So this is what you do it. So this gets tighter. Oh, and this time it actually spins.
Yeah.
Instead of the screwdriver. So the screwdriver won't spin. This it will spin. He kind of just looks like Parker.
What, this guy?
Yeah, on the package. That one.
How's the video going?
See, look what they did. On the package, they put the brown screws, or the gray screws in the wheels.
You supposed to do that?
I don't know. Should try it. We can tell them to leave a comment which one they like better, right?
Yeah, we could do a comparison
Mm-hmm.
right here and
Don't put one on one side and one on the other. They put the gray on one side and blue on the other. That'd be cool, right?
it's gonna take some effort.
What's that?
That was you.
Me? Oh, I can see Preston. Ah! Preston, I can see through the box. What? Preston, that's an eagle. Yeah, that's her name. Eagle Hope. Preston, I like her name. Eagle Hope.
Yeah, he's just saying
That?
Yeah, why is
My
your
name
name
is-
Eagle the Hulk?
Translate was doing a video.
Me that. Since I was.
Preston, Chan's not doing a video.
This is taking a while. You like this? Yep. A little too tight. For all you car fans, this is for you. This is going to be all-wheel power. Right, Dad?
Mm-hmm. Could be. I doubt it, though. Probably rear-wheel drive. Because if it's all-wheel power, it'd probably have the same size tires all the way around, right? Maybe. I don't know. Looks like a rear-powered drag racer.
Yeah, sorry to hear that.
Is the video done yet?
No.
Alright, so let's get a shot of it. Let's see the first. Let's see this view of it. Let's see this view. Alright, turn sideways. Let's see it from the side. Looks good, right? And this is what? This is the, what would we call this version?
I would say the sweet version.
The sweet version. Okay, so we have the sweet version versus the
Default version.
default version. So they should comment which one they like first, the sweet version or the default version.
Default version is no engine, no tires, no skirt blowers, or none of this. And just the hood is just open.
I like the.
Wait, I know what this screw is for.
What?
Goes here.
What does it do?
I just no. This is the default version though.
Alright. A little movie magic, and we had to change the wheels and the spoiler.
Yeah, guys. We changed the wheels, well, these, and the spoiler, and this is the default version. And I just find out what this was for. Again. And I'm pretty sure I know what this is for. It's kind of like the same purpose.
It's called a crescent wrench, isn't it?
No mechanic, Dad.
Pretty close, man. I mean, you just don't. You're a toy mechanic, right?
Well, maybe it's to apply the engine. But this is the default version.
Alright. And what do we want them to do?
You want to subscribe to the video. And also leave comments of which one's better. By the way, this one is called the default version. Default. And the other one where it had the green spoiler and the blue screws is called the sweet version. And, yeah. So just leave your comments and below and subscribe and hit notifications so you can get, you can always get notified when a new video comes out. So, yeah. Myself.